and welcome to Katalon Academy. As you may know, you can design your test projects and generate test scripts with Katalon Studio, orchestrate and manage testing activities with TestUp, and expand your test execution for CI/CD integration using Runtime Engine. Now, with the new TestCloud added to the Katalon platform, you can further enhance your test automation experience with cross-browser and cross-platform testing. The good news is you don't need to do any complicated setup. With just one Katalon account and a few clicks, you can easily integrate TestCloud in Katalon platform. Set up the environments, schedule automated test runs, or execute them on TestCloud environments. With all of these coming together, you can significantly increase the test coverage and confidence level of software releases. In this course, we'll show you the advantages that make Katalon TestCloud stand out from competitors, the steps to integrate Katalon Studio and TestUp with TestCloud, and set up test environments with different OS, browsers, and versions. The usage of TestCloud Terminal, how to set up and run tests locally. Let's get started.